Okay, so today we are going to be testing out this volcano, and we're going to be using the vinegar and baking soda. I'm pretty sure, yeah, baking soda. Next, we're going to be using baking powder. So we can go like this. Okay, so now we are just going to go like this.
Wow, there's lots of baking soda everywhere.
Here, I'm going to go like this instead. It's like a... Oh.
It's burning the vinegar right there. Burn it. Whoa! It's making bubbles right there. It's still more vinegar in there. Whoa! Melting snow. Cool. Okay, that was lame. Because our mom wouldn't turn it down.
Okay, let's make a little flow down there.
Okay, there's this bubbles left. That's it. It stinks.
I know, right? Okay,
Not like the vinegar.
I think we should, can you go get me a towel?
Okay.
Okay, whoa.
Can you turn that down, Mom? Okay.
Okay. Just cleaning this out, make sure there's no vinegar or anything in it. Okay, now we should put in this. Make sure it's not full, like not exactly full. Grab the funnel. There, put it in the middle. Down. There we go.
Can I do it?
Okay. Pour this in like that. No, pour it on your hand like this.
Okay.
So, pour it in my hand. No, use these little sides. Okay. Got the baking soda in.
Wait, still more.
Snowy mountain. Can you see?
Snow mountain again. That looks like water.
Okay, now we're going to pour in the vinegar. This is going to get pretty messy. So 3, 2, 1.
Oh!
Okay.
Now can I pour in
around.
the vinegar?
Still bubbling.
And it's also burning. This volcano's burning.
Okay, let's add a little bit more
Ew, it's sludgy.
baking soda.
Can I put in?
Wait, no. Not yet.
Why you use it? You have to use a singing
There you go.
spoon.
Just make sure that's full. Okay. So, now that is out.
Ew, what is that?
That was the baking soda and vinegar.
And what is that?
Now,
What is that?
we are using baking powder.
Ew.
Well, yeah.
I do
baking
not like
powder.
that.
It's going to go extreme again. There we go.
Put some more here.
Okay, now.
Look, there's like a little house right here.
Okay. Now we need the vinegar. Just like
Wow,
that.
this is going to overflow, and then put more. Then put.
Okay. 3, 2, 1. Okay, let's grab some more. more salt. There we go.
Now this is going to.
I don't even know if the salt adds anything or a little bit of the syrup. Okay, now put that in. Okay,
No,
that's
snowy
fine.
mountain again.
Let me see this.
Make it all snowy again. And then put some of this stuff around so it'll overflow.
Okay.
Okay,
Grab some more.
and countdown. 3, 2, 1, go.
Boom.
Whoa, it's not even blowing this stuff. Blow it. Burn, burn, burn.
Let's add some more
Vinegar.
vinegar in. And then like around the sides. Whoa.
What happens if I put my finger in there?
Nothing.
I can feel it. I got some.
Boom.
Yeah, come on. Come on. I burned my finger, Caleb. Burned my
What happens? Oh, I have the perfect idea.
My seriously was burned.
I have. Okay. Didn't too much.
Take it off. Take it off already.
One more.
Told you.
Okay, you're not holding it right. Now.
You,
last. Now. Baking soda. And vinegar. The hold. Nope, the hold was the failure. And there we go.
Okay, my finger is burning now.
Now we're going to take out this glop and rub it back on the volcano.
Delete all this water.
Well, that was the volcano experiment. Now, it's gonna be the last one. Oh wow, that has a weird feeling on your hands. Oh wow. It's like burning. It just burns the baking powder. Show them. Boom. Show them. Tell them what it felt like.